Alright, bench 101, we back. Switch extensions. Go with the full unwind. So they got long threads though, so it happens. Oh yeah. The new plug. Old plug. Y'all see the difference? Alright, y'all, so. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Alright, y'all, we finna give it back into this. Same thing as before. We're gonna put it back together. I'll give you a little shot when I move to the next one. We out. Alright, y'all, we got our second connector off in the rear. Same thing as before. We think we're gonna put our ratchet on and then go in. So we're gonna see when we get back. Alright, as y'all can see. Second one out. Remember, you're gonna go back in the same way. Get our 15. We ain't gonna use that swivel this time, but we might. We just gonna see if we can. Man, that went all the way in there. Nah, we need that lamp. We gonna switch up. Alright, throw our little shorty back in there. We're gonna try to go without the other piece this time, y'all. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Left. Let's see. Get up. I need 2 hands, y'all, so I'll be back. So y'all can see. As long as it's spinning on the ratchet, it's still threaded. When you start feeling it like not, if it's all spinning, I mean it's done thread. We got the thread. But it's some long threads now. Should have got my quick disconnect. Alright, hold on. Alright, all unthreaded. Once again. All the same. We got our knee blunt. Drop it in. We already know we're gonna get it to thread without stripping it, because we're gonna go turn it back and start locking. Turn it up. torque it up. So y'all got it. I'll move on to the next one. Alright, so I'll be back here on the fifth one, third one in the back. Something small that can swing. It's got a little room back here to swing, so just get that all screwed out. Alright, y'all. Got her out. Alright, let's see what's going on, y'all. Let's see what we got, y'all. I think we got it. Let's see. Alright, y'all, let's see what we looking like. Oh, yeah. They all look the same. They all was needed. New one? Alright, so we gonna put some more of this anti-lube on it and throw it back in, y'all. Alright, y'all, we just say the same thing as usual. Put the thing back in, tidy her down. This side. Other way. Righty tighty. So I was using the other one with the little height. It gave me a little more leverage down here, but I'll get it. It's only like 12 degrees out here or something. Yep. So Banks 101, that concludes the rear spark plugs on an Acadia 3.6 liter. Thank you, and please subscribe.